Kyle. Are you sure that you are going to the place? What's that?
Alors.
Is it?
Alors.
Hey, because enough is you really take that road again. Ah, because the way they go, I say, just yeah, because the place, you don't fall like this, so yeah, careful like this. Rather we come here, we come this house for the long. If it be like, this one. Okay, let's get one now. Yeah. Enough is your hello amazing customers. We are here in Tema. Hello amazing customers. Here is Tema Commission 5 Estate. We are here to beautify this house with a natural stone cladding. So we are focusing on the pillars right now. As you can see, just look at the roofing. The roofing is a red color. That we are involved in stone that is also red. Some coffee and red beads are no, so that the stones and the roofing will have something in common. You see. So this is how we start. Now the pillar is rough, you see, but still you have to still hack them again before the installation will move on. But the water be ready. So you are going to lay the stones now inside the small places. Inside the small places, you see. And also these pillars also, these two pillars also. You know get Muhammad. I don't get Muhammad. Kobi oni Muhammad. But this one be 3 inches or 4 inches?
3 inches.
Okay. But see, so you just like try and start to know, you understand me? Actually, you go reach in 1 hour time. A bit more, you get more for your body, you know, get more.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask him to go try it.
But they down now. Yeah, come pe Eliane bra. Yeah, Shade. As op de no da chu esro no da bo ahoma no. We here level take me chape 11 no. You where take me a day? Take see am if you see am na go see so. So this is how the installation go. Small. You understand me? I'll be here tomorrow to give you update again. So, I'll be here another day to give you update concerning the natural stones. Yeah. So from here I'm going to Tema. So I have to go and come back as soon as possible. Baba, yeah, it's a nice location. Oh, Charlie. No, we will go to that like the same junction this one. You sure like you pass here? Oh. Okay, let me pass it. Oh, yeah, find it. Okay, if I short place there. Oh, Charlie. Okay. But this park in Alpha, you have maybe like we government in land. Come again. But this one like for some park view. Like this one maybe like park view, maybe like some Some place we go be higher, take your thing.